Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging everything. This prevents shorts and accidental keystrokes. Next, flip the MacBook Air and remove the pentalobe screws so you can lift the bottom case. Use a plastic pick to gently pry the panel up. Avoid metal tools to prevent scratching or bending. Once done, set the screws in order so reassembly is exact. Make sure to ground yourself or use an anti-static wrist strap to protect internal components from electrostatic discharge. With the bottom off, disconnect or isolate the battery to stop power flow. This reduces risk while handling delicate clips. Locate the key assembly and use a plastic tweezer to lift the rubber scissor or butterfly mechanism gently. These are fragile, so move slowly. Then, press slightly on the top edge of the keycap and lift at the top center. The hinge clips will unhook. Once the keycap is free, set it aside in labeled order. Make sure to observe how the hinge sits for correct reinstallation. To finish, reposition the scissor mechanism over its posts. Align the tiny hinge hooks and carefully press the keycap down until you hear a soft click. That ensures the clips are seated. Once all keys are back, reconnect the battery and replace screws in their original pattern so the chassis tension is even. If a key is stuck, power down and clear debris with compressed air or a soft brush. If non-responsive, make sure the keyboard ribbon or connectors are clean and firmly seated before testing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.